That same then capacity planning and understanding what type of physical hardware we have, how much capacity we have in those systems, then leads us into, can we repurpose equipment? Are we using the right equipment in the right space? A perfect example is we were able to plan out a replacement of legacy blade chassis with rack mount servers. And by doing that and planning ahead, we were actually able to reduce our power requirements and reduce space, free up space within the data center. But because we were able to look at the information in our asset system and understand the scope of what an existing piece of equipment, maybe 4 cabinets of blade chassis, 4 chassis high, each cabinet having 60 amp power in those. Planning ahead, we now realized, okay, we can actually shift that workload down into 2 new cabinets with 30 amp circuits because of the change in technology and planning ahead and having the right information.